birthday, baby. I have a surprise for you. Well, did you see your doctor?
No way. You know what they do to me?
This isn't normal for a man your age. And then what, Jack? We go home and you pretend to have a headache again? You've barely touched me. And you need to attracted to me. Are you seeing someone else? Well, I have needs, Jack.
Neither can I. I never imagined my limp, lifeless penis would rip my world to shreds and nearly force me to commit an unthinkable act. The story I'm about to tell you is deeply personal and at times embarrassing and shocking. Yet, it led me to discover a bizarrely simple, all-natural remedy that rescued my marriage, reignited my sex life, and gave me back the sex drive, stamina, and hardness I had in my youthful prime. Within just days, I went from a sad, impotent shell of a man to enjoying the strongest and most pleasurable erections I've ever had, and giving my wife the best sex of her life, night after night, all without pumps, painful injections, or dangerous pills, without any weird exercises, diets, or changing my lifestyle at all. And I'm not the only one raving about this natural home remedy. It's transforming the sex lives and love lives of thousands of men around the world.
I've been married to the love of my life for almost 20 years, and I thought it was normal for the sexual intimacy to end at a certain point. But this turned back the clock on our love life. It put the spark and excitement back in our relationship, and it's made us feel closer than ever. It goes to show you it's never too late. And for me, the benefits go way beyond the bed. I haven't felt this healthy and energetic in 10 or even 15 years.
I've struggled with ED for years, but this changed everything. My erections are as solid as when I was in my early 20s, but they're better because now I can control how long I go. I've got more sensitivity as well. The sensation is incredible, and when I finish, the intensity is through the roof.
So my husband John was having issues in bed. I thought it was just a temporary thing because of all the pressure from his job, but then it started becoming a real problem. I didn't know what to think. Was it my fault? Was he just not that into me anymore? So when I learned about this method, I went ahead and ordered some. It took some convincing, but I did get him to try it, and he absolutely loved the taste. A few weeks later, I was out shopping, and he called me and said, "Honey, you need to come home right now." Ever since then, we've been doing it almost every night. And you want to know the even better part? I swear he's gotten bigger.
My name's Jack, and if you're dealing with any form of erectile dysfunction, whether it's occasional limpness, finishing too soon, loss of desire, or if it's been a long time since you've gotten a hard-on, if your erections don't feel as full, firm, or as sensitive as they once were, if your sex drive has faded and you no longer feel that primal lust you should feel when you're with a beautiful woman, or if your soldier's working okay, but you want to deliver incredible sexual performance every time and enjoy the biggest, hardest, longest-lasting erections you've ever had in your life, then give me your full and undivided attention for the next 6 minutes, because you're about to discover the secrets of this 100% natural home remedy starting today. It doesn't matter how long it's been since you've had fully satisfying sex. It makes no difference if you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, or beyond. In fact, you'll soon learn about a 76-year-old man who thought he'd have a lifeless penis for the rest of his days. But now, thanks to this natural 7-second remedy, he's enjoying the thickest, stiffest, vein-bulging erections he's had in decades. Along with these astonishing success stories, you'll see undeniable proof from worldwide experts and clinical studies that this oddly simple remedy will work for you, the same way it's supercharged the sex lives of over 63,400 men. But I must be brutally honest, this may be your last chance to save your sex life before it's too late. Because when you're dealing with ED in any way, shape, or form, it's a use it or lose it situation. You need to be getting fully firm erections and using them. Otherwise, your penis is shrinking and dying a little more each day. Tissues are hardening and scarring. Urologists call this penile atrophy. And once you reach the point of no return, which may be closer than you think, the damage becomes irreversible. Once that's happened, there isn't a drug or surgery on earth that can resurrect your dead soldier. But in just a moment,